The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Remove the pre-installed screws on the main unit and proceed to install the bracket. Install the handle. Remove the silicone plug from the handle and the silicone plug from the handle connector of the main unit. Align the aviation plug with the handle connector of the main unit, and tighten the screw after installation. Handle tip installation. Attach the desired tip to the handle and rotate clockwise to secure. Avoid dropping or bumping the tip to prevent damage. Position the installed handle onto the holder. Water filling. Remove the sealing caps from the injection and overflow ports. Attach the funnel to the injection port. Fill with pure or distilled water until it flows from the overflow port. Remove the funnel and securely replace the sealing caps. Pedal switch installation. Align the concave notch on the plug with the convex guide on the socket. Then insert the plug and rotate the locking ring clockwise to secure. Connect the power cord. Insert the key and turn the emergency stop button clockwise to turn on the device. Select 532 nm/1064 nm/1320 nm Settings, J/cm superscript 2, 0.8-1.5 J, Hertz, 1 to 5 Hz. Note, press the red button on the back of the machine to control the red dot switch on the handle. Note, press the foot switch to release energy. Click the black button in the bottom right corner of the interface to start. Click the green button in the lower right corner of the interface to pause. Power off the device and unplug the power cable. Water drainage. Remove the sealing cap from the drainage port and attach the funnel. Remove the cap from the overflow port. Wait until all water drains completely. Secure both caps back onto the overflow and drainage ports.